back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng April 2024 current energy check-in to at short-term prediction, and maaaring mag-resonate ito onto the next 3 to 6 months from today. So ginawa natin tong reading na to ngayon sa ganap na 9:22 PM at April 29, 2024. Okay? Remember na ito ay isang collective reading at maaaring mag-resonate to into a certain collective energy na channel natin, at kung hindi to mag-resonate, it only means na the reading is not for you, and who knows, I will tap into your next month reading. Okay? It will be about your energy. Right. Sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers po natin, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings and guidance. Alright? So, i-shuffle ko lang muna uli yung mga cards in front of the camera, Leo, and I'll see you again in few seconds. Okay? Hi again, Leo. So, kukuha tayo ng 7 cards about your current energy check-in for the month of April all the way to the next 6 months, no? At ang ginagamit nating cards ay ang Oracle deck ni Kyle Gray, Keepers of the Light Oracle, okay? And, marami tong mga spiritual beings, guides, and mga ascendant masters. Let's see what they have to say about you. At this time, ginawa nating reading to na sa ganap na 9:25 PM, April 29, 2024. Are you ready, Leo? Okay, kuha tayo ng 7 cards. At position 1, Leo, meron kang Joan of Arc, Voice of Truth. Okay. At position 2, nandyan si, wow, first time tong lumabas, guys. White Eagle, Ancestor Spirit. So, pang 11th kayo sa, second to the last kayo ng reading na to, at first time lumabas ng ating White Eagle. Okay? Feeling ko parang Native American to, di ba? Yung mga guides nila. Okay? At position 3, nandyan si Sanat Kumara, lumalabas na kahit anong zodiac sign. So, light activation. At position 3, okay? And at 4th position, Leo, meron tayong si Lady Portia, same, no? Divine Order. She's also all over the place this month's reading, no? Sila ni Sanat Kumara. At 5th position, nandyan si Freya, Faces and Cycles. Kung nakikita niyo sa Mobile Legends, di ba si Freya? Yung Guardian of the Northern Vale. So, feeling ko para siyang Nordic or Scandinavian na ano to. Goddess to or divine spirit na it's literally galing doon yung character ni Freya ng Mobile Legends sa kanya. Faces and Cycles. At may moon sa likuran niya. At may ano siya, 'di ba? May uwak dito or black na I don't know, eagle ba to? Parang si Freya nga kasi sa Mobile Legends, 'di ba may pakpak 'yon? Alright? Yes, naglalaro tayo ng Mobile Legends, pero hindi natin kinakaler 'yon. Past time lang. At position 6, nandiyan si Odin, Psychic Insight. So first time din lumabas ni Odin sa inyo. Nabasa ko to sa Greek mythology if I'm not mistaken, no? So Psychic Insight daw. At 7th position, at the center, first time din yan lumabas. Si El Moria, parang Hinduism naman ang belief system nito, no? Parang guide to or spiritual guru. Awakening present. Right? Let's begin on your reading, no? Leo. So, Joan of Arc, Voice of Truth sa release position. Ang sabi dito, stand strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. So, malamang baka parang may similar zodiac sign akong ginawa, yung last 2, na similar yung position 1 nyo. Pero baka may, may sun, moon, rising sign ka na ganun yung zodiac. So, maybe, panoorin nyo rin yung video na yon. Voice of Truth. So, sabi dito, going back, stand strong, focus on your purpose. So, may blockage, no? Lately, baka may distraction ka na dapat i-realign mo again yung focus mo sa gusto mo, okay? Sa goal mo, sa kung ano yung purpose mo. Okay, remind yourself bakit ka nandito or bakit mo ginagawa tong bagay na to or bakit nandun ka sa isang connection or situation. Always remind yourself, ano yung purpose mo? Remind yourself. Release the fear of persecution and speak your truth. So, these are for people na may inability to communicate, no? Kung ano talagang gusto nilang iparating. So, sabi dito, i-work out mo yon, specifically yung communication mo, yung ability mo to be vocal and honest about what you think on situations and connection, or kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, sabihin mo. Huwag kang mag-hesitate to express it. So, may problem tayo in being expressive. So, ang sinasabi dito, maybe you need some work on communication, or maybe yung fear of rejection sa idea mo or sa mga opinion mo, don't be afraid. Okay, I think there will be people na embracing naman sa other opinions ng iba. So, it's not about what you say or do actually, no? If you meant to be more vocal and honest about it, it's on parang the way you say it, no? The way you express it. Baka may lack of confidence, may lack of belief doon sa sinasabi mo. So, when you speak from within, no, make sure also that's convincing if that's what you really believe in. Okay? And wag kang matakot sa na hindi matatanggap yung opinion mo or not. Expect na lang na as long as you na-raise mo yung concern mo, okay, what you want to communicate, no, be happy with it. Wag ka na mag-expect whether maganda yung acceptance or reception nila doon or not. It's okay. We cannot please people. Okay? Yun ang advice sa'yo. Now, sa second position, first time lumabas nitong White Eagle, no? So, si White Eagle, ancestor spirit. Ang sabi dito, connect to your lineage. A family wound or pattern can be healed now. So, yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy daw as an advice this here is that sinasabihan ka na there are parang mga issues within the family mo na kailangan mag-focus ka para magkaroon ng kapatawaran o kaya maaari na renewal, reunion, or reconnection again. Baka maaari mo down the line, no? Maaari mo i-consider na makipag-reconnect or makipag-ayos sa whoever yung may dispute tayo or pagtatalo within our family, or alam mo yon, yung mga biological family natin or kahit mga relatives, okay? Yun ang sasabi dito na something you need to continue working on, okay? Kasi nasa position 2, no? Yung pattern na toxic, no? Maybe there's something na kailangan nating i-correct doon. Kung medyo may toxic mga family members tayo that needs reconciliation, healing, understanding, or pagbabate, pag-usapan, okay? Wag nating patagalin pa kasi alam mo yun, ang family kasi sila pa rin ang balikan natin pag kailangan natin ng tulong. Okay? So, sinasabi dito, ina-ask ka na wag mong i-detach or ilayo yung sarili mo sa family mo. Okay? Parang yung close skin mo pa rin will always be there for you. So, it's more like an advice na you need them and they need you. Okay? Alright? Now, at position, take whatever resonates. At position 3, nandiyan si Sanat Kumara, light activation. No? So, lagi siyang lumalabas. Sa manifestation position mo siya, ang sabi, shine your light. Your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. So, sa manifestation mo, no, may internal, dialogue sa sarili mo kung ano yung mga gusto mong i-manifest sa reality mo ngayon. Okay? Yung mga things na dinidesire mo na sana mangyari, di ba? Na maabot mo, makamtan mo. And ang sinasabi doon, malakas tong calling na to doon sa mga desires na gusto mo na mangyari sa buhay mo. Okay? Hindi ka confused sa kung ano ang gusto mo. And that's a good thing, okay? And listen to it. Yung mga things na minamanifest mo actually are the things that you desire at kailangan mo ngayon. Okay? I don't think na yung manifestations na to are baseless, no? These are the things na makakatulong sa'yo para mas mag-grow yung soul mo. Mag-grow ka as a person to be better. Yung mga manifestation na to, sinasabi, magaganda. Okay? And alam mo, loud and clear sinabi dito, alam mo kung ano yung gagawin mo para ma-bring in mo to sa reality mo. Okay? We'll see no sa new beginnings mo. Now, at fourth position, si Divine Order, Lady Portia, lumabas siya, no? Sabi, do what you feel is right, an important lesson is unfolding. May similar card ka sa gantong position sa isang zodiac sign. Maaari mo i-cross-check yun. Or i-cross-watch. Baka may sun, moon, rising sign ka na tugma doon. So, ang sabi dito ni Divine Order, si Lady Portia, okay, yung external energy mo to, no? So, may mga external influences sa paligid mo, no? Na makakatulong sa'yo, no? para sundin mo kung yung ano yung nararamdaman mo, kung ano yung kutob mo. Okay? Kasi may paparating, okay? Yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo, may lesson daw na dapat na matutunan ka dyan, paparating na. And it's something na hindi mo kontrolado to kasi nasa fourth position siya, no? It has to happen kasi parang lesson yun na binibigay sa'yo ng ating Panginoon o ng universe, okay? It doesn't have to be lesson sa'yo. It could also be lesson for all sa surrounding mo. May learning experience na matututunan doon. That's what I mean. Okay? Pero ang guide mo dito, sinasabi ni Lady Portia na gawin mo yung sinasabi ng pakiramdam mo, yung kutob mo. Okay? And yung manifestation mo, nandiyan si Sanat Kumara, light activation. No? So, lahat ng manifestation mo, tatandaan mo na it will always be for the benefit of you. Hindi, not to harm you. Yung mga manifestation na yan. It's more like a warning or a guide sa'yo, no? Yung mga gusto mong mangyari, make sure na it will never harm you. Okay? So, shine your light nga raw. So, operate ka dun sa positivity sa mga manifestations mo, not on the dark aspects. Okay? Kasi, may moral compass ka, may internal guidance ka naman. So, actually, hindi ka lost kasi you know the right and wrong sa mga manifestations mo. Alam mo kung anong mga iiwasan. Okay? Now, going back here, sa position 5 nga, like si Freya, no? Phases and cycles, munto. There is beginning within every ending. Illusions are revealed and released. Now, kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo to see things for what it is, no? Yung hindi clouded yung judgment mo. Okay, maaaring ngayon may situations and connections and people or whatever it is right now na medyo ang gulo-gulo, na hindi clear yung horizon, hindi clear pa yung future, okay? Na uncertainties, ang dami mong ina-anticipate pero unsure tayo kung mangyayari or hindi. Okay, pero ang sinasabi dito is that you will move beyond yung parang wala kang clarity, malalagpasan mo yun, walang direction, yung confusion, you will move beyond that. Kasi eventually, slowly, parang mawawala sila. For some reason, maybe may something na mangyayari for you na ma-realize mo na magkaroon ka ng bagong perception or realization or newfound information, anything, no, na makakapag-break nung illusion mo. Parang you're not seeing things and situation for what it is, or you're not thinking clearly and level-headed. These situations, no, eventually mawawala daw yon, no. So, pag nawala yon, tatandaan mo na there's always a beginning in every ending. Nire-remind ka, for some reason, baka may nagtapos lately, and it brings you parang kalituhan, pain, or parang hindi natin nakikita yung good side of things, no? Medyo we see glass half empty all the time. It's about yung perception mo. Ano yun, no? Mamimystify, no? Parang gano'n, or mesmerize ka nung mga situation na yan for some reason na baka matabunan talaga yung the way you see and think, no, or feel about things or people, but eventually matatapos daw yan kasi yun yung magtatapos, okay, and then may bago kang simula, which leads to position 6, yung new beginnings after this, no. Kaya sinabi nga ni Freya, there is a beginning within every ending. So papasok tayo sa position 6 mo, how timely, no, in alignment, ang new beginning. So, ang new beginning mo si Odin. First time lumabas ni Odin sa lahat ng mga cards na na-open natin for this month, no? Psychic insight. Your third eye is open. See truth for what it is. See, yung use your intuition, yung light activation na sinasabi dito sa manifestation could lead to new beginnings, di ba? Yung light activation ni Sanat Kumara, yung internal guidance mo, di ba? Yung internal guidance mo, yung mga kutob mo, alam mo yung sagot within yourself din naman. Okay, kasi sinabi dito parang highly intuitive ka, kasi hindi ka manonood ng tarot, like I said, kung hindi ka spiritual or highly intuitive person, no? Your third eye is open. So, for some of you, baka literally may third eye kayo. For some of you also, ang taas ng intuition ninyo, ang kutob ninyo sa mga bagay-bagay, you're always right. Sa mga sensations ninyo, ang lakas. So, yun ang sinasabi dito, no, sa new beginnings mo. Magtiwala ka doon sa inner guidance mo. Ito, sinabi dito, internal guidance, and as well, yung talent mo, spiritual gift mo, to sense things, no, that na hindi nagagawa ng iba, okay? It's gift. So, see truth for what it is. Like I said, nandiyan nga si Freya, no? Sinasabi dito, si Freya, illusions are revealed and released kasi nga, ang kasunod, see truth for what it is. Finally, may revelation kang makikita sa mga new beginnings mo. It could be in love life, in family, relationship, career. So, eventually, no, lahat tong mga negative thoughts or parang mga negative talk, no, na accumulate over time, mawawala lahat. For some reason, maybe yung inner work na ginagawa mo, tong light activation, ang nag-cause nun para makakawala ka dyan. And then, at the center, nandiyan si Elmoria, awakening presence. So, ang sabi ni Elmoria dito, guys, awakening presence, no, the universe is with you. You see? Wear a cloak of protection and love. Alright. So, it's a reminder to you na yung mga past mo, maaaring baka nahawa ka kasi energy is transferable, okay? Or na-inflict ka, or na-evil eye ka, or may mga ill intentions, or let's say parang yung aura mo na naka-absorb ng mga negativity. So, ang sinasabi dito, no, protect it, protect your aura, mag-salt bath ka, sea salt, o kaya magpa-aura cleansing ka, if you can afford that, guys. Or you can do sea salt bath, okay? Or Himalayan salt bath, ginagawa ko yan once a week, to rejuvenate, at maganda siya sa skin, ang daming scientific, benefits as well. You can Google. So, sinasabi dito, ang lesson dito, guys, is that you're not alone. Whatever your belief system is, Christian ka man, Muslim ka, or you're into tarot or metaphysical things, no? It doesn't matter. You are being supported ng mga good guides, okay? Spiritual beings, light workers, divine spirits, okay? And they're helping you, no? The stars will help to align for you. If sundin mo lang yung advice ni Sanat Kumar na light activation sa katong psychic insight ni Odina sinabi ko kanina, and yung kay Lady Portia and Freya, lahat ng advice nila dito, especially yung voice of truth na yan, and yung healing sa mga family issues, no? Ang sinabi dito, wear a cloak of protection and love. Yung love na to could be unconditional love, not only romantic love na, but pertaining dito sa family wound. Okay? You need to heal as well on that. Okay? Always wear love when you want to forgive people, especially family. Okay? Because it's really the closest thing that we can have, no? You don't have to feel alone, okay? So, sana, Leo, no, nag-resonate kayo sa inyong general life reading, and kung di man, I will tap into your energy next time. Alright, Leo, I'll see you guys on your next month Tagalog reading. Take care, God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Leo. Bye!